Welcome to our legal summary on accident and injury law. Personal injury law is a complicated yet essential part of our civil justice system. In this video, you will find valuable information on legal concepts and issues that apply to personal injury cases, including the different types of legal theories personal injury lawyers use in holding a civil defendant legally responsible for the damages they have caused to others, the rules for covering damages and the types of monetary recovery available to accident victims, the legal and procedural framework around which personal injury cases are filed, adjudicated, and tried. What exactly is personal injury law? At its core, it's about compensating those who have been harmed by the carelessness and wrongful acts of others. What types of accidents fall under personal injury liability? From car crashes to slips and falls, medical malpractice, food poisoning, dog bites, and exposure to toxic substances like asbestos. We also examine the common types of physical injuries sustained in personal injury cases and the medical experts who treat them. Proving a personal injury case. What do we need to prove in a personal injury case? In personal injury law, the injured party, called the plaintiff, carries the burden of proving every essential element of their case against the civil defendant by convincing the trier of fact, usually a jury, that the defendant's conduct was more likely than not the legal and factual cause of the accident, as well as the plaintiff's resulting injuries. We'll delve into the importance of establishing and producing lawful proof under established theories of liability, such as negligence, product liability, and certain types of intentional acts, such as civil battery and intentional infliction of emotional distress. The litigation process. How does a personal injury case proceed through court? It starts with the drafting, filing, and serving of a civil complaint, followed by the defendant's receipt of the complaint and their responsive pleadings. In the discovery phase, both sides have the right to take depositions of the parties and witnesses, make physical inspections, serve and respond to written discovery, such as written questions and document requests, retain experts, and otherwise prepare for trial. Understanding each phase of the litigation process is crucial for anyone navigating a personal injury lawsuit. From the pleading and discovery phase to the pre-trial readiness phase, we'll guide you through each step along the way. The trial phase. What happens at trial in a personal injury case? We'll break down the trial process, including jury selection, witness examination, and the crucial roles of the judge, lawyers, and jury. Plus, we'll touch on what happens should the trial result in a mistrial and the post-trial appeal process. On the gottrouble.org website, you will find insightful articles that explain the different phases of a personal injury trial, including opening statements, direct examination of witnesses, cross-examination of witnesses, court rulings on admission and exclusion of evidence, closing argument, jury instructions, jury deliberation, jury verdicts, hung jury and mistrials, post-trial motions, and rights of appeal. Dealing with multiple defendants. What if there are multiple defendants in a personal injury case? We'll explore the concepts of shared negligence and apportionment of liability, which is essential for cases involving several potentially responsible parties. Damages and compensation. What types of damages can you recover in a personal injury case? We'll discuss the differences between economic and general damages, including medical expenses, lost wages, and pain and suffering. We'll also discuss what happens in cases involving the death of a plaintiff and whether the surviving family members of the decedent can recover damages for their loss, such as loss of financial support, affection, and companionship. You will also learn, under certain circumstances, the decedent's estate can recover compensation for the deceased's pre-death pain and suffering. Role of healthcare providers. Will your doctors be testifying at trial? We'll examine the role of healthcare providers in personal injury cases, including their potential as expert witnesses. Plus, we'll cover the importance of chiropractors and other holistic medicine practitioners in these legal battles. Need more information or assistance? GotTrouble.org offers a treasure trove of helpful resources and local services, from personal injury lawyers to finding medical and financial assistance and support. Resources on GotTrouble.org. On the GotTrouble.org website, you will find a full range of accident and injury law articles and valuable local links to personal injury lawyers, low-cost medical centers, low-cost online pharmacies, medical equipment suppliers, emotional well-being counseling, personal injury lenders, and injury victim support groups. For more insights and guidance, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More in-depth videos on personal injury law will be coming next. In the meantime, stay informed and empowered by visiting GotTrouble.org for additional helpful services and resources.